Hi everyone, Dave here from Medit. I know a lot of people have been getting a message saying they need to upgrade their storage because their storage is full in the cloud. I just want to run over a couple of options that you've got here. So I've just clicked on the dashboard here and you've got your cloud storage here. So they give you 1 GB free at the moment, which isn't very much at all. Okay, so what we can do is we can either go to the home icon down here. Oh, actually no, you can go to the cog and go to storage management. Okay, so here it shows you the local storage and here it shows you the cloud storage. Now this is the one where you've only got 1 GB. Interestingly, the raw scan data, which takes up the vast majority of the data, isn't included in this cloud storage. It's only result files and attachments. So if I was to delete that, it would clear and give me the space back, but if I was to select the raw data, it wouldn't clear any space on the cloud anyway. So what can you do? We can click by storage here. It'll open up a web browser. You have to excuse the sound of the rain in the background. Okay, so it's 99 cents a month, US dollars. It's billed monthly. Existing users get 12 months for free, so it's pretty worth doing anyway just to get the 12 free months. We can click subscribe. And it takes us to a page to put in your details. You can see here that it's billed monthly at 99 cents, but the 12 months for free, so you don't get billed anything for the first 12 months. So it's just a case of putting in your details, and even once the 12 months is up, I mean, less than $12 for a year's worth of 10 terabyte storage is pretty good. Okay, so that's one option. You can increase your storage limit that way. The other thing you can do is you can use, if we come back out of here, you go into the settings again and go to the case converting tool. Now this allows you to export whichever cases you select to one file, which you can then store on a hard drive somewhere or on your desktop or wherever you've got space. Okay, and then we can delete those cases that we've saved, and it'll free up space in the cloud. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's just take these top 3 for example. So we saw back here, sorry, under general, that I've got 663 meg. Okay, so just remember that number, 663. So if we go into the case converting tool and let's just do these top 3 cases. Okay, I'm going to export them. Now this exporting process can take a long time, so if you're doing a lot of these, I would leave it until you've got a lunch break or the end of the day, and you can leave the computer doing it for however long it takes to do as many as you've selected. This will take 30 seconds to a minute to do just these 3. So export completed successfully. We click close, and I've set it to go to my where is it? Here it is. Set it to go to the desktop with this name. You can change this name to whatever you want. So if you've selected cases, for example, for September 2021, you can just call it September 2021, and you can store it somewhere. Okay, so let's close this and go to my desktop, and here we go. We've got what it's called a .meditex file, and this contains those 3 cases that I just exported. Okay, the file size, they do get quite large still, so those 3 is 2.25 gig. Okay, so you'd have to have space to store that either on an external drive or somewhere on your PC. Okay, so now if we go into our case box, just get rid of this a second, clear this. Okay, I'm just going to find those cases that we just deleted. which are this one and these two. Okay, and I can delete them. Okay, so they're deleting. So remember what our cloud storage was. It was 663 meg. So we've backed up those 3 cases. We've then deleted them. So if we check our storage now, so we've got 630 meg now. So we've deleted 30 meg basically. Okay, so that's what files and attachments were in that 2.25 megs worth of data. So the majority of it was raw data. Okay, so you can free up space that way as well, and then to bring that back in, if you needed to use that data at a later date, go back to the case converting tool, and this time we're going to go over to this side and we're going to import. So we're just going to look for the file. So it's this one. Open and click import, and it's going to import those cases back in. Okay, so they've all imported. So if I go back into my case box, and I just search for those cases that I did, and you can see those are the 2 that I deleted, and now they're back in here. Okay, so I've re-imported those files from that Meditext file that we saved earlier. Okay, I hope that helps a few people out. If you have any questions, just drop me a phone call or drop me a WhatsApp message. Thanks, bye.